Over tower, November 2439 Zulu, Charlie, short of 28, ready for takeoff.
Cessna 2439 Zulu, Norwood Tower, runway 28, cleared for takeoff.
Gonna go 28 for 39 Zulu, thanks.
Okay, I'm off the pedals.
Okay, now I'll check mine. Better get all you.
Hey, all me. Very funny, the differential braking, that's the one thing I learned about, you know, that gets in my way.
Oh yeah.
Like I'll steer still with the brakes on this thing.
Yeah.
Better right and left.
Yeah, clear to go.
The green.
Looking good.
Airspeed's alive. Awesome, we're up.
Nice takeoff.
I guess that's noise abatement for the town.
Yeah.
Okay.
I just put your bug up there.
I got it,
yeah.
thanks. It's a nice airport to fly out of.
Yeah, no, I like Norwood.
Up to 25 minutes here.
Should I get
39 Zulu, contact Boston departure, good day.
And over to Boston for 39 Zulu. Yeah, thanks.
I'm gonna hold. If you haven't talked to me yet, I'll stop at 25.
Okay. Yeah, good. Boston departure, Cessna November 2439 Zulu with you climbing through 1,900 for 5,500 direct Vineyard.
So 2439 Zulu, Boston Approach, I did.
And ident for 39 Zulu. Push that again. Oh, no, you're good, sorry.
Okay.
For serious flashes, I'll let you.
Oh, okay.
2439 Zulu, radar contact 2 miles south of the Norwood Airport, Boston, 3035.
Radar contact is 3035 for 39 Zulu, thanks.
Okay.
Head up one.
Yeah, I just don't want to.
So we're looking good.
Want to overshoot the 25.
Very good.
I don't know what you go for 24. So 24 seems hot to me, but maybe it's not.
Yeah, no.
RPMs, I mean, it just seems. I don't need to intercept that, so I can just go.
Yeah, no, she's not really paying attention to us anyway. She's just gonna. We're just on her scope now.
doesn't look too bad out there.
Oh, it looks like a nice day.
It was fun though having all those exchanges because it was really, you know, I learned a lot. It was just good dialogue. You probably do it all the time when you guys are jointly planning trips, maybe.
Yeah, we do that a lot. So it's always a good time though.
Yeah.
Boston Approach car, come to 23979er 3100 for 2000.
23979er Boston Approach, Boston altimeter 3035, service station.
3035, attention, we're going to be head north to the Boston Skyway. I love tucking under the Bravo here. There's some good sights. Yeah, UH-60 Blackhawk.
Okay.
Take a little more speed here.
100 knots isn't bad.
Oh, good.
Boston TBM 639, pop 9000.
60, take a pop of Boston Approach, Boston altimeter 3035.
35. Eyes reasons. I just airspace.
Oh, interesting. So if you get a flash, you click that?
Yeah, and it'll make it go away. It like lets you know certain things. It reminds you every 30 minutes to change the switch tanks. There is where you don't have both, yeah.
That's good. Used to set a manual.
Oh yeah.
That's the way we handled that.
All good though.
Yeah. I'm wondering if I even need this right now.
Oh yeah, iPad?
Yeah, I might put it behind this. I don't know if I can. Only because, you know, even when I'm banking a little.
Yeah, I mean, I got notes over here if you want me to throw it in the back for you.
Let me just turn it off. 23. I don't know if you can reach without.
Put it on top of my bag, my sweatshirt, so.
That's cool. It's fine.
Some soft.
Yeah. It's a, you know, I mean, if you don't buy one and there is a new, oh, you want a little one? Yeah, you should get a little one.
No, that's. I think it'll be better for the cockpit.
I think in general, the little one is going to be the one that people are.
Boston Approach, good morning. Mall November 66 Echo.
Boston Approach, again.
Good morning, we're Mall November 66 Echo.
Mall 66 Echo, Boston Approach.
6 Echo is 20 miles northwest of Norwood Airport, PFR 2800, going to Providence Town, requesting advisory.
Mall 66 Echo, squawk 5131 to that end.
5131.
Once we poke through the blue, we'll go ahead and just shoot up the
Five, yeah.
deep dive.
Yeah, see what those clouds are.
Yeah, no, I think we'll go up and over them.
Yeah.
Should be a cool view.
Yeah.
It's always fun.
6 Echo, we're approximately 8 miles northwest on what I said, 40.
It's cool. They added that runway extension thing. They added that forward place.
Okay.
Oh, it draws them out as you zoom in. You know, it's a nice little. Not that I know
6 Echo, I'm sorry, say again.
what you're doing.
66 Echo, radar contact.
It's not that advanced, but
3035.
35, 6 Echo, thanks.
This screen in
Good
here.
morning, Boston Approach, JetBlue 1004, level 11,000.
They're a little different from the Cirrus.
yeah.
I love this, the traffic map.
So how far over is that?
It's showing me a 6 nautical mile. It's just one turn of the little knob on the
The
FLS.
left? The map. Okay.
It's the perfect in the pattern when and then you can adjust the range if you want to 6 or 12 miles. If it has ADSB, we'll show up and give you an N number.
Hey, that's 6 nautical miles, 300 feet below us. Behind us.
Yep. Yeah, exactly. And if they're equipped with like a G1000 or anything with ADSB, we'll give you an N number.
Okay.
Oh, if you hear someone on the radio talking, you kind of have an idea where they actually are. I'm already in 55 tuned in.
66 Echo, you clear to know what's South Delta airspace at or above 2,500.
6 Echo, thank you.
Yeah, she was protecting airspace, so we probably could have climbed back there, but
I see.
always a safe bet. And if you don't know, you can always just ask. I mean,
Yeah.
they're not monsters on the other end. So they're usually pretty good about helping you out, you know, walking you through stuff.
Yeah.
Unless you're flying around JFK via then they might not like that. About 10 knots aloft here, it's not bad for wind.
Oh.
We just power in, we got plenty of room to shoot through before we get to the next bank of clouds.
Guard 239er, and there's numerous VFR targets at your 12 o'clock, 4 miles maneuvering. The altitude indicates 1,400 and below.
Guard 979, we're searching for traffic, thank you.
Yeah, our search.
JetBlue 1004, descend to maintain 6,000.
6,000, JetBlue 1004.
So did
6-3 Tango Papa, proceed to Vineyard and contact keep approach 118.2.
Direct in 18-2, 3 Tango Papa.
JetBlue 1004, contact approach 126.5.
126.5, JetBlue 1004.
procedure. Select an approach. ILS 24 down there.
Okay.
Oh, you can just tune it in and then we don't have to do anything with it. We'll get vectors, so that's the straight in. They might tell you, you know, you're clear for the ILS via the...
Zulu contact, Providence Approach 123.67.
And 2367 for 39er Zulu, thanks. One, 2, 3, 6, 7. And approach Cessna November 2439 Zulu is with you, climbing through 4,500 for 5,500 direct Vineyard.
Center in 43 Charlie, clear direct, one's on course. 3 Charlie, direct. Charlie Golf Bravo Uniform Zulu, contact Bradley approach 119.0, good flight. 119.0 for Bravo Uniform Zulu. Providence Approach 4533 Foxtrot, missed on ILS 16. He's busy, so... 4533 Foxtrot, Providence Approach, ident. 23 Fox, ident. 4533 Foxtrot radar contact, climb requested VFR altitude, understand you want the RNAV 16 at Newport? That would be the localizer 16, Newport 335. Before 533 Foxtrot, roger, maintain VFR, actually flight present heading for now, have it going for it shortly. We'll be flying 16335.
In case we're not above that.
Yeah.
Hang on a little bit.
33 Foxtrot, 5 miles from Beckwood, turn right heading 190.
We should be okay.
Maintain VFR.
So, we'll get up there and we can always ask for higher. Always cancel if they don't get back to us.
335.
Good afternoon, selection 3863, 1000.
I'll call in a sec. He hasn't really been...
Number 43 Charlie, traffic 2 o'clock and 3 miles northeast bound Cessna 2500.
And Providence Approach, Cessna November 2439 is with you, level 5,500.
0 bar whiskey, traffic 10 o'clock and a mile northbound Centurion 3000.
I have the traffic, 0 bar whiskey.
Departure collection 3863, 2.2 for 4000.
Flagship 3863, Providence Park radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
Alright, up to 10,000, collection 3863.
Providence Approach, Air 90900, kilo 6000, destination Waterbury, out.
He's busy, huh?
9900 Kilo, Providence Approach, Sagan.
6,000, destination Waterbury, Oxford.
Everyone else can't hear us.
R200 Kilo, squawk 04, stand by. R200 Kilo, squawk 0456.
0456, 00 Kilo.
Flagship 3863, turn right direct Putnam on course.
Right turn direct Putnam, flight 3863.
Providence Approach, November 2439er Zulu.
Customer 87 Yankee, maintain VFR at or above 2,500 traffic.
At or above 2,500 for 87 Yankee.
That's a 2 Juliet Charlie, maintain VFR at or below 2,000 for traffic.
2 JC.
For 2 Juliet Charlie, contact approach 127.9er.
Providence Approach, November 2439er Zulu with you, level 5,500.
Command 87 Yankee, 5 miles from, or correction, 7 miles from the mixture, left heading 080, maintain VFR, approach
A sec, if not, we'll go back, the old frequency. That's why I never change it.
For the approach.
And,
Okay.
Command 335, change to mind. 0.6 today.
we can cancel.
0.6, 945, good day.
We'll just call it.
Correction, number 2439 Zulu, contact Cape Approach 118.2. Potential aircraft in the vicinity of Newport, parachute jumping in progress below 10,000.
And 18.2 for 39er Zulu, we'll see you. And Cape Approach, good afternoon, November 2439er Zulu with you, level 5,600.
November 2439er Zulu, Cape Approach, thank you. The Cape altimeter is 3037.
3037 on the altimeter for 39er Zulu.
Cape Approach, Verity, 197 Romeo, over Plymouth, southbound, VFR 5.5, inbound, Nantucket outskirts.
97 Romeo.
Want me to do something different with him?
I know he's just under our nose. We just want to get on him. But we'll watch this, and if that 2,000 changes,
Okay.
Approach 15.
I'll send over though, so we should back there. Speed on us.
97 Romeo, squawk 0246.
0246, 97 Romeo.
And Cape from 39er Zulu, we'd like to start our VFR descent down into the Vineyard, if that's okay with you.
Number 39er Zulu, approved as requested.
And approved for 39er Zulu, thank you.
Alright, so, you know, we don't have to do it now, but,
I'll do it.
start on down. Yeah, we want to offset him, so if you want to maybe stay away from Otis, if you want to maybe go a little bit to the right, we'll,
Crazy.
November 222.
right under our nose.
Contact Cape Approach on 133.
I don't have, you should have him off your side.
Should I go way across it?
I just, aim for like the, you know, gate head area.
5 miles south of Plymouth Airport, showing you 5,500. The Cape altimeter 3037.
There he is.
037.
You got him on off the nose there?
Yeah, hang on.
About 11 o'clock low.
Cape Approach, and I said 3,500, Nantucket outskirts.
Alright, thank you, Approach, thanks.
We don't want too
I know,
of
I
course.
just want to be able to see him.
I can fly for a second if you want to look.
Hey, go ahead. Take your plane.
I might have fine.
I cannot see him.
Be down there, he's just off the coast, it looks like. He's just crossing over onto the water at probably about 10 o'clock. That might help.
I got nothing yet.
Cape Approach 15 Romeo, jumpers away.
415 Romeo, ready.
He's out showing in the middle of the bay now.
Jumping
Yeah, I know,
operations
I see.
over Marshall's Mill Airport, East Goshen.
I don't see him.
Number 00 Kilo, contact Providence.
I would start down.
125.75.
But yeah, we'll just keep an eye on the TCAS.
Okay.
These guys are kind of
November 99er 00.
hindering our practice ILS.
Oh, they're doing that?
They're kind of hindering our...
Yeah, that's fine.
I don't know if you're just calling us.
And approach to that for 39er Zulu.
39er Zulu negative, we're looking for another guy.
Just double checking things.
A lot of airplanes.
Yeah.
Good to go though. We'll just keep on descending down. We'll just keep our scan. We're looking. We got a nice good descent going. We'll go ahead.
That's a 29er Quebec, flight heading 140.
Just gonna listen to the ATIS down in the Vineyard.
Yeah, sounds good.
I'm gonna copy that down.
1115 Romeo, traffic 1 mile north of Marshallsville, 3,500 indicated.
15 Romeo, listen to traffic.
He's watching us, so he, you know, if we start converging on someone else walking 1200, he'll give us.
Well, they're descending too, because that number's staying pretty solid.
Approach and confirm you want a full stop landing.
Might be some like bunch of pilots headed down to the Vineyard for launchers.
Alright, we're gonna do a touch and go.
29er Quebec, roger, we'll see intentions afterwards. We're gonna stay with the tower.
Gonna go VFR back for Bedford for 29er Quebec.
For 29er Quebec, roger, after completion of your missed approach, maintain VFR.
If we stop, we'll want to get out of there by noon. I don't know if you want
Alpha 2-minute call.
to. Maybe not noon. I think at 1 o'clock it's fine.
National aircraft be advised, start jumping operations over Chatham Airport.
If you want to eat, I'm on board. If you don't, that's fine too.
No, we can stay. That's good. Take a little break.
Survey combined 121.4.
29er Quebec, flight 140, vectors ILS 24 approach.
Heading 140 and then
Information India 1456 observation, wind 23011, visibility 10 miles, sky conditions clear, temperature 182.08
approach.
Select the visual approach, runway 24 in use. Combined 121.4,
125.75, have a good day.
Providence 12575.
That sounds going to be 2-4.
Yeah, that's what they're.
2439 Zulu, no traffic observed. Contact Vineyard Tower 121.4, good day.
And over to tower 121.4 for 39er Zulu. We'll talk to you soon, thanks.
Or this frequency always scares me because it's so close to 20.21.5.
So play 1.
Alright, so what are we showing, about 12 and a half out?
And Vineyard Tower, good afternoon. November 2439er Zulu is with you descending through 3,300 with India to land.
2439 Zulu, Vineyard Tower, good morning, in at the right base, runway 24.2 miles.
Right base 242 miles up to 39er Zulu, thanks.
We're going to set up for like a 2 mile
Okay.
pace. Yeah, closer. So we'll just keep it going straight in. You got a visual in the airport?
Oh yeah, totally. So, I mean, I could go and then go ahead.
You see the, oh, you obviously see the huge cutout of the water right there. Right up. Yeah, so we'll fly right over that, just kind of like parallel to, we'll just turn heading 150.
Okay.
Once we get to that, we'll head heading 150, and then we'll turn inbound for 24. Letting us know the Delta's coming up. Ah, man, I missed the boats in the ocean.
Yeah.
There's none of that in India.
Oh, it's true. That's why when we lived in Chicago, we kind of lived near the lake a lot. Where do you think, holding 25, 2?
I'd say
Level off at 2?
2,000 for now, and then once we get over land, we can go down to like probably 1,000.
It's a pattern altitude.
So we'll go ahead and
Or give me
try to do this.
2 mile right base.
763 Foxtrot, runway 24, clear to land.
Clear land 2463.
Some stuff real quick. At will.
That will trap the. Interesting.
Should, I mean, who knows how this thing's set up. Oh, so we got nav one in? Yep, we good. Oh. Head off. So it's up to you when we hit the ground, if you want to eat or whatever. I'm up for anything.
Okay. I would taxi to the restaurant.
I got
Some stuff down.
Sounds like a plan. Cast up a plane, James.
Yeah, exactly.
Much anyway. 24th.
November 46168, free exchange improvement in containment 228. See you later.
All right, we'll see. And I might stay with you just after Katama. I might come back to you because we might land in Sedgwick and tack it.
Roger. November 21328, you want to switch over to Katama as well? That's 228 approved.
Okay, we'll switch over now. You have a good day. Thanks for the help.
Get approach. Or in.
Range 63 Foxtrot, how long are you staying for, sir?
Maybe 30 minutes to the restaurant.
Range 63 Foxtrot, roger, turn left at the runway intersection, right turn on Alpha, taxi to the restaurant.
Left, right, and Alpha to the restaurant.
Down to 1500.
November 39 Zulu, how long are you staying for, sir?
We'll be to the restaurant as well.
Thank you.
You want to try practice ILS?
It's up to you. Well, actually, let's do a landing.
Sounds good.
I think I just should probably do that. Get in.
Yep. Sounds good. We'll get vertical guidance up here, but it's not a big deal.
Oh, interesting.
So
we will get it there?
yep, so this will come down, and then you want to keep it in the middle, and then this will swing in, and you enter it in. If you want to turn left heading 150, probably now. Oh, that's up to 2 miles. For you, if you want. Like these little plugs in.
Yeah. Yeah. It was hard to judge flaps.
61, come up on tower point 4, please.
Yeah, flaps, especially on a straight in.
Yeah.
So once we
39 Zulu, clear to land runway 24.
little land 24, 390. I throw one now. So you slow down a little bit.
161, thank you, sir. You're clear to the Portsmouth Airport via runway heading. Radar vectors, Martha's Vineyard 017 radial. Freighter intersection, Boston, direct Portsmouth.
It's a bad day.
I maintain 2,000.
Answer all that.
Expect 8,000, 10 minutes after. Cape departure 133.75. Squawk 4661.
Alright, that is cleared. Runway heading, radar vectors to the Martha's Vineyard 017 radial, Fredo intersection, Boston, Portsmouth. 2,000, 8,000 in 10 minutes, 133.75, and 4661 for chrono function.
461, reback is correct.
Nice approach.
Vineyard Tower, good morning, Warrior 6312 Charlie.
Warrior 6312 Charlie, Vinny Tac.
Yes, sir. Just departed Katama. We're over
Maybe
on
both
the
below
southern
85
shoreline.
next
We're
notch
going to
in,
hang
maybe,
here
or
at
get a little closer?
1,000 feet.
Drop it up. Go ahead.
Warrior 12 Charlie, roger.
Here.
What altitude are you at now, sir?
600.
Thank you, sir. Warrior 12 Charlie, altimeter is 3037. And are you planning on coming inbound, or are you just going to fly along the southern shore and then go back to Katama?
Actually, we're just going to take the southern
I'm arriving at
shoreline
waypoint,
back
it
to Newport.
Yeah,
Warrior
yeah,
12
that's because I programmed
transition
this.
is approved, then I'll get your frequency changed once you get out of my airspace.
Yes, sir.
Get lost.
I'm waiting for it, right?
You can turn it if you want.
Got it, turn. Did that bird?
the big metal one's going to win that battle.
It's true.
Vineyard Tower, clearance, Hawker 3-3, Victor Charlie, we have information, India going to Mike Yankee, Alpha Mike.
Interesting.
Park 3-3 Victor Charlie, Vineyard Tower, good morning, sir. You are cleared to Marsh Harbor via runway heading. Radar vectors, cross the intersection, which is Charlie, Oscar, Sierra, Sierra, Yankee, Sandy Point, Hampton, then as filed.
A little slower, there you go.
Maintain 2000, expect flight level 400, 10 minutes after. Cape departure, 118.2, correction, 133.75, squawk 7376.
Okay, flight runway heading, radar vectors to cross the intersection, Sea Isle, Hampton, as filed up to 2000, 40 and 10, 133.75, squawking 7376, Hawker 3-3, Victor Charlie.
Hawker 3 Victor Charlie, instead of Sea Isle, sir, it's going to be Sandy Point, which is Sierra Echo Yankee. Best readback is correct.
Okay, Sierra Echo Yankee, and give me the spelling on Cossie one more time.
Cossie is Charlie, Oscar, Sierra, Sierra, Yankee.
Okay, thanks, appreciate it.
One more thing, sir. They do have delays going southbound, Jet 121. I'm not really sure if it's going to apply to you going to the Bahamas. Let me call up the Cessna real quick, and I'll get back to you.
Okay.
There you go, looking nice.
Yeah, a little flatter than I normally do.
Oh yeah, not as steep. Yeah, we came in a little low.
Oh, we're further out, and I normally cut it a little closer.
Good.
Hawker 3 Victor Charlie, Center said you're good to go whenever you're ready.
Very nice.
Okay, thanks.
Nice job, Rick.
Should be here in a minute.
Thank you.
Vineyard Tower, Baron 858 Whiskey 9 North.
Very nice.
Going down to the next.
Yeah, you keep it rolling.
858 Whiskey, Vineyard Tower, another right base runway 24, report 2 miles.
Very nice
Right
landing.
base 24, Heidi.
Cessna 39 Zulu, continue on the runway, sir. Turn left on Charlie, straight into the restaurant, remain this frequency.
Down the runway, left Charlie to the restaurant for 39 Zulu. Very nice.
Thanks
Nice
for
and
your help.
soft.
Yeah. One of the things I found.
November 12 Charlie,
I'll take
where are you at now, sir?
Oh, there's Charlie.
Where are you?
Down to about 400. We're just over the water, about a mile or two.
Roger. And how far out are you? Because I'm not picking up your target yet. How far are you from containment? Do you know?
Right off our nose, walking at us. Yep. He's gonna park us. We're probably going into the flat. So looks like
10 miles.
Be over there.
Just approaching the bluffs on the west side.
Okay. November 12 Charlie. Once you start your climb, sir, if you want to talk to Cape, they're on 133.75 today. Have a good flight.
All right.
All right.
3375. Thanks for your help.
Last time I was here, I was the only airplane on the ramp. Well, I mean, it was December, so.
Yeah. Well, I like to get in here before it's crazy, so this is perfect.
Oh, this is good timing.
Yeah. Okay. Let's just look at that.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's fine. That was great. Flaps up. Yes, lights off as required. Just give the beacon. I don't know this chart as well. F1, finder standby. Oh yeah, so I should go ahead.
It's automatic. It goes
it does?
to the ground, yeah.
Later trim. And there we go. On the Cirrus, I would turn off the avionics before I killed the power. Do you care? Do you think it matters?
Yeah, usually should.
Big bonk.